Hello everyone, I'm Nandini Dandu. Today I would be giving the introduction video about vertically integrated projects version 4. My other team members are Joseph Gonzalez, Shefali Nakum, Ravi Kiran, Franco Hernandez. My product owner is Masen Tahiri and our instructor is Masood Siddadi. So what is VIP? VIP is a program that gives students a new experience. Instead of classroom lectures, it is a project-oriented course. Its goal is to design research-based model to solve a particular problem. It has many projects to explore and to select. We can select any project that match our interest. The unique thing about VIP is it is a collaboration among the undergrad, grad students and the faculty. So in the previous VIP version, we had some of the problems such as project management issues, formatting issues, data organization. There was no archiving system or report generating. So if you look at the following screenshots or GIF, these are the screenshots of the VIP system, the old one and the latest one. The login page. The login page has now been divided into two sections, one for the students and the other one for the faculty, along with a user guide videos that would help them to browse across the VIP. The next one is the admin panel. Now in the latest VIP version, the admin has a search box that would let him search for the students in a particular semester, and also he can apply certain filters like the student's year, like whether it's a freshman or a graduate, and whether it's a PI, co-PI, or else it's a faculty or a staff, things like that. So the system architecture. We have used VIP is built on AngularJS along with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It is a MVC model. MVC is an architectural pattern that separates an application into three main logical components, that is model, view and controller. The hardware is client server. VIP is what the live server is on Linux operating system, which is deployed in Apache. So these are the class diagrams. These are the different classes that we've used in the VIP. So today I will be talking about four main user stories: project log features, faculty's registration page, preserving the format of project description, and adding Excel report in the admin panel. Project log features. Before, we did not have a system to manage the projects. Like if we had set of projects, they were available in all the terms and the semesters. So in the latest version, you can make a project active or inactive, and you can make it available only during a particular semester. So if you can see the following screenshot, this is in the admin section. You have a lock and unlock projects option. So you can select a project, you can select the term when it should be available, you can change the project status to whether it can be active or whether it can be inactive too. So as a student, when I try to apply or join to a particular project, if that project has been logged, so you would be getting like this project is currently inactive. So similarly, if the professor also tries to propose something, he would not be allowed to. He would be getting those following pop-ups. So this is the use case diagram. As an admin, I can go into the admin panel and I can log the semester panel and I can select the terms. So as a faculty or a student, when I try to propose or try to join it, I would not be able to. So the sequence diagram, this is the flow of events as to what the controller does or where the information is going. The next one is faculty registration page. Initially, before in version 3.0, there was no way for the PI, co-PI to view the list of faculties that have registered. In the latest version, when a faculty registers, the admin would be getting a notification to review the faculty's registration. So like if you can see here, I can click on review faculty registrations, and here you can see like the people that have registered. So I have an option whether I can approve it, I can reject it. So if by mistake if I approve or reject it, then I can undo the function as well, and also I can even delete these requests. So when the project is unapproved, The faculty receives a confirmation email saying that they've been approved, and like by accidentally, if we kind of approve or reject someone, when I do the undo action, I get a pop-up that the undo has been successful. So this is the use case diagram. As an actor, I would approve, reject, undo, or delete a project. So this is the sequence diagram. Next, format to project proposal form team description. Before, there was no way to keep same format of the description, and right now if I'm proposing a project, I'm proposing a project's description in a particular format. That format would be preserved. It would have the bullet points, or if there's certain points that have been highlighted, I can preserve it like as it's been proposed. So you can see here that when the faculty is proposing a project, he's having certain bullet points and also numbers, and certain words have been highlighted. So when once the project has been proposed, so you can still see that it's the same format that has been saved. So this is the use case diagram. And the last one is adding Excel report in the admin panel. Before, we have a lot of students, so there are like hundreds of students, and it's really hard to pick each user's information and copy it in an Excel format. That used to be a hectic and tedious task in the previous versions. In the latest version, the admin can search the number of students that have registered, and he can even filter those options, like he can search, he can make the use of filters which are to the left, and or else simply he can press like whether the term that are in, like whether it is spring, fall, or whether they're a freshman, whether they're faculty. So once he searches, a certain set of information would be displayed in this particular section. So, and that information can be easily generated into an Excel file. So all you have to do is click on the Excel document, and an Excel report with current date would be generated, and the Excel report would have all the information that the admin wants. So this is the use case diagram, and this is the sequence diagram, which has the flow of events. To conclude, so as we proceed, or as we keep updating the VIP, we are making sure that it is more user friendly, it works more efficiently. So in this version, to summarize some of the main key features, the VIP 4.0 has a new page for admin to review faculty's registration request. It also has a text editor in project form with which faculties can edit the description in the desired format. It gives an admin more feasibility to search for a specific user in the admin panel. It also gives the admin a feature to quickly get the information of the students that he wants just by searching and clicking on the Excel report to generate one. So we have used GitHub and Mingle for maintaining our projects and to stay updated with the user stories, and Node and HTML, CSS, MongoDB have been used to build and update the VIP. So this is our contact information of all of us, and that's it. Thank you.